We've got a 68 Mustang Fastback complete restoration, an Eleanor replica Procharger, air conditioning, rear view camera, navigation and dash.
Small block 427 cubic inch Ford V8 engine, all four internal will handle up at 9,000 RPM. Has a TCI Super Street Fighter automatic transmission rated to 1,000 horsepower. It has the F1R Supercharger blower, 3-core Procharger intercooler. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever wanted to go fast, if you ever wanted to get there before you even left, this is the car to do it in.
427 cubic inch small block Ford engine. When you put it to the pedal, it'll leap forward with power. Only 800 miles since restoration, rated at 1,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower. Man, like a dream come true.
This is a fabulous vehicle here. Ladies and gentlemen, everything's done on this car. The gorgeous 68 Mustang.
Unbelievable.
Ford Mustang, yard office. Touches. It has a GT500 stripes on it. Under the hood, that is one monster 427 small block Ford V8.
Okay, you're going to get 2, give it 150,000, you're going to get 150. 150,000, you're going to get 50, get 150 here, you're going to get 1. Ford Mustang Fastback Custom. Original body, complete restoration. New Super Street Fighter transmission, air conditioning, 4-wheel, wildwood disc brakes, GT 500 KR replica.